Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify store with Amazon S3 integration, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Shopify store with Amazon S3 integration, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section and search for an appropriate backup solution that integrates with Amazon S3. Install the selected backup app by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the app within your Shopify dashboard. Create an Amazon Web Services account if you do not already have one. After creating your AWS account, log in to access the AWS Management Console. In the AWS console, locate the S3 service. Click on Create Bucket to begin setting up your S3 storage. Choose a unique bucket name and select the appropriate region for your storage. Configure the bucket settings according to your preferences, ensuring you adjust permissions as needed. Once the bucket is created, note down the bucket name for later use. Return to your backup app in Shopify. Locate the Settings or Configuration section for Amazon S3 integration within the app. Enter your Amazon S3 bucket name in the designated field. Next, you'll need to provide your AWS access key and secret access key. Access these keys from your AWS account under the IAM service. Create a new user if necessary, and assign the appropriate permissions to allow S3 access. Copy the access key and secret access key from the IAM management page. Return to your Shopify backup app and paste the access key and secret access key into the respective fields. Save the settings to establish the connection between your Shopify store and Amazon S3. Now, initiate the first backup process within the app. Monitor the backup progress to ensure all data is being successfully copied to your S3 bucket. Once the backup is complete, check your S3 bucket to verify that all files have been uploaded. To maintain regular backups, schedule automated backups within the app settings. Regularly review your S3 storage to manage space, deleting outdated backups as necessary. And that concludes the complete guide to backing up your Shopify store with Amazon S3 integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.